10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Stage 1 propulsion nominal.
T plus 35 seconds and counting, and we are well on our way to space. Our 53rd Electron rocket has taken flight, and it's headed to orbit with its payloads for Kineis. Up next, you'll hear the call from max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure, the point in flight where Electron experiences peak structural load. The GNC operator on console will give us the call that max Q is approaching, and then we'll hear for confirmation that we have passed through that gate.
HVB discharge is nominal.
Cleared max Q.
And there we have it. Confirmation Electron has passed through max Q. We are now at 19 kilometers altitude and traveling over 2,700 kilometers an hour. And next up, we have 3 key events: main engine cutoff, or MECO, stage separation, and stage 2 engine ignition. MECO is when all 9 Rutherford engines shut down to prepare for the next phase in flight. And after those engines shut down, Electron's first and second stages separate. Then finally, the vacuum-optimized Rutherford engine on Electron's second stage ignites to propel the mission through to an elliptical transfer orbit. Those 3 events all take place in a quick succession over just a few seconds, so let's listen in for those calls.
"15 seconds to staging.
Entered burnout detect mode. MECO confirmed. Stage separation confirmed. Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
We are now T plus 2 minutes and 45 seconds into the mission, and as you've just heard, Electron has had a successful MECO, stage SEP, and second stage ignition.
Stage 2 guidance.
Telemetry data shows that Electron is now moving at over 8,200 kilometers per hour and has just passed 100 kilometers above Earth. Up next is fairing jettison, when Electron's nose cone, which is protecting our payloads today, will split in 2 and fall away. We might see this happen on screen, so let's keep an eye out for that.
Fairing jettison succeeded.
And that was the call out for fairing jettison from Mission Control, exposing the payload to space ahead of deployment.
Stage 2
Electron is traveling at over 8,500 kilometers an hour at an altitude of 125 kilometers, with just a few minutes remaining in the second stage burn.
Now, if you take a look at the graph on the right-hand side of your screen, then you can see Electron's current trajectory compared with our expected trajectory. And we like those 2 lines to be as close as possible, and that's what helps Electron's precise payload insertion accuracy.
HV discharge nominal.
Throttling down.
Battery jettison confirmed.
And that was the call for battery hot swap on the second stage, confirmed as successful by Mission
Hot swap
Control across
successful.
the nets. Up next is the final stage of Stage 2 flight, including SECO, or second engine cutoff, followed by kick stage separation. This is where the kick stage, carrying the 5 Kineis satellites, separates from Electron's second stage. That final engine cutoff is coming up just shy of 9 minutes, so only about 3.5 minutes to go.
Stage 2
is
propulsion
saved.
holding nominal.
SECO confirmed.
Stage 3 separation confirmed.